Good morning all. Welcome to Nas at English. Welcome to English with Nas. And welcome to my page. My name is Nasir Mansur, popularly known as Uncle Nas. And today in this video, I would like to talk about some commonly mispronounced English words. These words have been mispronounced by even well-educated people. Somebody like doctors, teachers, lawyers, they commonly mispronounce these words. So today I'd like to show us these words and correct the pronunciation. I'll tell you the exact pronunciation of these words, God willing. These are the words. Okay. Number one, this word. People openly mispronounce this word as doctor. This is not doctor. The real pronunciation of this word is doctor. Doctor. And number two, most of the people pronounce this word as pepe. This is not pepe. The correct pronunciation of this word is paper. Paper. And these people pronounce this word as onion. Onion. This is not onion. The correct pronunciation of this word is onion. 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 And this also. People pronounce this word as comfortable, giving it 4 syllables, comfortable. No, this word actually it has only 2 syllables. Comfortable, comfortable. And the last one, this word people pronounce it as favorite, giving it 4 syllables also. And in real sense, the word it has only 2 syllables. That is favorite, favorite, favorite. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. And if you really want to learn, if you want to learn a real English, please subscribe to my my WhatsApp channel. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number: 08108402223. All right. If you really want to correct your English, we have a class specially for this. Please notify me.